Hello dear children, today we will start with lesson number 2 in your science subject. Your new lesson is plants, about plants, our green friends. As children you know that plants really they are our great friends because all the things we get from plants, starting with food, medicine, clothes, paper and many other things we get from plants. So this is the reason why we say that plants are our green friends. Let's read it in detail and learn about it. We call plants our green friends because they are very useful to us. Why we call plants our green friends? Because they are very useful to us. प्लांट्स हमें बहुत ही काम आते हैं, सभी तरह से काम आते हैं, इसीलिए हम प्लांट्स को अपना फ्रेंड यानी अपना दोस्त कहते हैं. दे गिव अस फूड, वो हमें खाने की बहुत सारी ढेर सारी चीज़ें पर्याप्त करता है. मेडिसिन, जैसे कि मेडिसिन, क्लोथ्स, वुड, ऑयल, पेपर एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स. जैसे कि मेडिसिन यानी दवाइयाँ, क्लोथ्स यानी कपड़े. हम जो कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं वो आपको पता है किस में से बनता है? कॉटन क्लॉथ बनता है कॉटन पॉड्स में से. कॉटन का प्लांट होता है, उसमें से रुई निकालते हैं और उस रुई में से हम कॉटन क्लॉथ बनाते हैं. सो वी गेट क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. देन वुड यानी लकड़ी भी हमें प्लांट से ही मिलती है. ऑयल यानी तेल, हम जो खाने में तेल इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो भी हमें प्लांट से ही मिलता है. पेपर भी प्लांट्स के पल्प में से बनाया जाता है, इसीलिए पेपर भी हमें प्लांट्स ही देते हैं. एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स. दे ऑल्सो गिव फूड टू मैनी एनिमल्स. यानी बहुत सारे प्राणी भी इस पर निर्भर होते हैं, वो प्लांट्स को खाकर ही जिंदा रहते हैं. प्लांट्स कीप द एयर फ्रेश एंड क्लीन. और दूसरी बात क्या है आपको पता है कि प्लांट्स एयर को फ्रेश रखते हैं और क्लीन रखते हैं. दे कीप द एयर फ्रेश एंड क्लीन बिकॉज दे टेक अवे ऑल द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द नेचर एंड गिव ऑक्सीजन इन रिटर्न. हमको वो ऑक्सीजन देता है, जो प्राणवायु है वो हमें मिलता है प्लांट से, और उसके बदले में वो सारा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है जो जहरीली गैस है वो नेचर में से ले लेता है. दे मेक आवर सराउंडिंग्स ब्यूटिफुल. वो हमारे सराउंडिंग्स को ब्यूटिफुल भी बनाते हैं, खूबसूरती भी देते हैं. अब हम डेबीज टाइम. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन वी कम टू डेबीज टाइम. Circle the things we get from plants. Now see in this picture, so many things are given. You can see perfume bottle is there, eggs are there, bread is there, butter is there, then oil is there, fruits are there, and so many things. Now one by one we will see which things we get from plants. First of all we will see perfume. We have to circle perfume. Why? Because the sweet fragrance in the perfume we get from flowers. So we can say that we get it from plants. Then comes eggs. We don't get eggs from plants, so we will leave it. Then we will go to bread. Yes, bread we do not get directly from the plants, but from plants we get wheat, and from wheat flour is made, and then from the flour the bread is made. So we can say that yes, bread we get from plants. Then butter also we get from animal product. It is an animal product because from curd we get butter. Then we come to oil. Yes, oil we get from oil seeds that we get it from plants. For example, groundnut, then mustard, then sunflower. All these seeds give us oil. Then coconut, Now we come to fruit. So we will circle even the oil bottle also. Then we come to fruits. Yes, fruits we get from plants. Then we come to milk. This is also an animal product, so we will leave it. Next we will come to juice. Juice also we get from fruits. So it is but natural that it is from the plants. Then toys. Toys we don't get from plants. So leave it. Gift, leave it. Bucket, leave it. Then we come to pen. No. Then we come to, yes, this is a postcard. It is made up of paper. So yes, from paper pulp is made from plants. So we can circle this also. Then we come to pencil. Pencil also will circle. Why? Because pencil is made from wood, and wood we get from trees. Then again, cap. Yes, cotton is made from plants. So this is also a plant product. So we will circle it. Then we come to cheese. Cheese is again milk product. So no. Then water, no. Then we come to vegetables. Vegetables we get from plants. So circle it. Then this is animal product. This is meat. Then this is ball. Ball we need not circle because it is of plastic or rubber. It is not said. It is not clear here. So we leave it. Again, bag. So we will circle. No, we will not circle the bag because bag is made of leather, and leather is not a plant product. Next we come to purse. This is also again made of leather, so we leave it. We don't get it from, suppose this is made of, sorry, this is made up of jute. Yes, jute is also a plant product. So we will circle this bag also. It is a jute bag. This is leather bag. So this we won't circle, leave it. Now with this activity is over. So the next part we will watch in the next video. Okay, bye.